Welcome to the HSNC University, Mumbai Transcript Portal. This platform allows students to apply for their transcripts, detailed mark sheets issued by the university, required for higher education, professional opportunities, and immigration purposes. Registration process. To begin, every student must register on the E-Transcript portal. During registration, carefully enter and cross-verify your updated PRN number. Then, fill in your first name, last name or surname, father's first name, and mother's first name, all exactly as they appear on your original mark sheet. Next, provide your mobile number, an active email address, as your transcript will be delivered electronically to this email, and create a password. Finally, select your gender and click Register. Once registered, log in using your registered email ID and password. On the dashboard, click on New Application to start your transcript request. Step 1. Educational Details. In this section, begin by entering your ABC ID. For applicants whose PRN starts with 2020, 2021, or 2022, the ABC ID is not mandatory. However, for students admitted from 2023 onwards, the ABC ID is mandatory. Re-enter and verify your PRN number, then select your college name from the drop-down list. Choose your educational level, whether junior college, bachelor's, master's, or an integrated course. Next, indicate whether you are still studying by selecting yes or no. Then, specify your year of enrollment and entry-level standard at the time of admission. After that, enter your last attended year and standard. For currently enrolled students, select the last examination year and standard you appeared for. Now, select your examination pattern. Choose yearly if you received a single mark sheet per year, or semester if you received two. Finally, tick the boxes for the semesters or years for which you are applying for transcripts, for example, first year, second year, and so on. Step 2. Reason Details. In this section, specify the reason for applying for your transcript. If your reason is further studies, mention whether you are applying for an entrance examination. If yes, enter the exam name and the university name where you plan to apply. If not, select no. Also, remember to upload your entrance exam mark sheet later in the Upload Documents section. If you are applying for permanent residency, PR, in another country, select the PR Permanent Residency Application option. If your purpose is different, choose Others and clearly state your reason in the Purpose tab. Next, enter the name of the university abroad where you plan to submit the transcript. This name is for record purposes only and will not be printed on your transcript. Finally, select your preferred delivery option. Transcripts will be sent electronically to your registered email ID. Step 3. Course Details. Now, it's time to fill your course and marks details. Click on Add Educational Details to begin. Your course name and college year will already be pre-filled based on earlier inputs. Then, select the examination month and year mentioned on your mark sheet. Please note all details entered must be accurate. Any incorrect or false information can lead to rejection of your application. Ensure you enter all data exactly as per your mark sheet. If your mark sheet contains special characters like @ plus, or $, make sure to include them. Grades must always be entered in capital letters. If you do not see your subjects listed correctly, immediately contact our support team for assistance. Now, let's go through how to fill the form using your mark sheet as reference. For each subject, enter the following details carefully. Internal examination, mention the maximum, minimum, and obtained marks exactly as shown on your mark sheet. Semester and external examination, enter the maximum, minimum, and obtained marks again as mentioned. Total marks, enter the maximum, minimum, and obtained marks for the total column. Credit points. C. Enter the credit points for each subject. Grades. Enter the grade received in capital letters. Grade points. G. Enter the grade points as mentioned. CG. C times G. Enter the calculated CG points as per your mark sheet. The system will auto-calculate overall total obtained, overall out of marks, and total CG. You just need to cross-verify these numbers with your mark sheet. Next, enter the grade for that semester, the total credit points, and SGPI exactly as they appear on your mark sheet. All relevant details like subject name, internal and external marks, total marks, credit points, grades, and grade points should be entered carefully. Fields such as hours per week, lectures per week, and months taken will be autofilled when you select the subject name. Once all semester details are completed, click Save to proceed. Step 4. Upload documents. In this step, upload your mark sheets semester-wise or year-wise. Please follow these instructions. Upload only original mark sheets. Duplicates or provisional copies are not accepted. If you do not have the original, contact your college office and obtain it before applying. Each file must be less than 1 MB in size. Accepted formats are JPG, JPG, or PDF. Verify all documents before submission. If you have 80 KT mark sheets, upload them using the Add More option. Step 5. Preview and payment. Before final submission, you will see a preview of your application. Review all entered details and ensure that your information and uploaded documents are accurate and complete. Incorrect or mismatched details may delay the issuance of your transcript. If you are unsure about any field, avoid entering incorrect data. Instead, contact our support team for assistance. Once verified, proceed to payment to complete your application. After successful payment, your transcript request will be submitted and the digital transcript will be sent directly to your registered email ID. Incorrect or incomplete details may lead to the rejection of the application. For any queries or technical issues, reach out to the university's support team for help.